While you're caught up in your own thing, not even considering what's happening beyond your bubble, we're here to bring you the scoop on some seriously cutting-edge agriculture machines. Stick around till the end of this video to prepare to be blown away by how technology is reshaping our lives. This machine is like a massive arm that swoops in and clears those ditches like lightning. Outstanding performance and efficiency in potato harvesting and processing. The machine seller has large capacity, up to 25 tons, allowing a significant amount of potatoes. Can you guess which technology is responsible for making these grapes look so pristine and appetizing? With this machine at hand, what seemed to be a challenging task has become remarkably effortless for farmers. These three specialized machines are gonna kick the harvest season into high gear, getting things done quicker than you can say bushels. With colossal machines like these, a single harvest can churn out the same output as hundreds of manual laborers combined. This contraption here is all about yanking up those radishes, and they just keep coming, getting whisked away on the conveyor belt like clockwork. Next in line, we've got the hemp fiber harvesting and packaging machine, ready to take those fibers up to the next level of processing with a whole lot more efficiency compared to those old school contraptions. These pomegranates look absolutely delicious, don't they? This gizmo right here turns some seriously tough and risky work into a cakewalk. This here is a combine harvester, a real star of the show in the world of agriculture. And let me tell you, it's not just any old machine. It's packing some cutting-edge AI technology that tweaks harvesting settings on the fly and fine-tunes the whole process for maximum efficiency. You've got two gust sprayers doing their same thing simultaneously, guaranteeing that there's not a single trace left behind after each watering season. This machine right here is tailor-made with some special engineering to streamline and speed up wheat harvesting, giving a real boost to the wheat production right here in the good old USA. Check out this machine in action, swooping up those ripe red blueberries from the water like a champ, running at full steam. This machine right here, it's a lifesaver for farmers, cutting down a ton of manual effort. The John Deere S780, now that's a top-of-the-line rice harvester. That's a big player in the agriculture industry, doing the heavy lifting when it comes to bringing in that harvest. That flower field is just captivating, isn't it? You can't help but keep your eyes fixed on it. Are you a machine lover? Please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that I can have more motivation to make more videos. This machine right here, it lets farmers pluck those high-hanging apples without a worry in the world. Automated tea harvesters are specialized machines crafted to swiftly and effectively pluck tea leaves from tea bushes. This right here is a real special machine, exclusively designed for snagging those green beans. And let me tell you, it's packing some dangerously advanced features. This machine is an absolute perfection when it comes to harvesting potatoes. This machine, it's like a plant magician, swiftly relocating them without giving a second thought to their well-being. Whether it's olives, pears, apples, or any other kind of fruit tree, this bad boy gives the tree a good old shake, making those fruit drop right onto the conveyor belt below. This self-propelled sprayer features a 40-meter-long spray rod, an 8,000-liter tank, vibrating nozzles, and exceptional power and accuracy. Having machines that amp up our efficiency and productivity, that's just plain awesome, isn't it? Having a machine that lets everybody get in on the action, harvesting from top to bottom without leaving anything behind, now that's something truly incredible. With the most cutting-edge AI technology, the hand-picked strawberries boast an incredibly high level of quality. Seeing sights like this out in the fields, man, that's just awesome. This machine, it's all about spreading that straw to keep that sugarcane nice and moist. And do you know what that means? Saving some serious cash. Thanks to the help of machinery, tons of onions were harvested in no time. This machine made sure all the plants are the same height. It's like having a professional hairstylist for the plants. Looks like the farmers are playing a real-life game of puzzle out there in the field. This combo lets you sift out the unwanted soil from the potatoes during transport. With this module, you can ferry pristine potatoes while leaving the unusable bits right in the field. This right here is hands down one of the slickest and most advanced machines you'll find on the market. Harvesting red onions, it's a breeze. Seriously, quick and easy. This machine can water an entire field in no time flat. Looking at this corn harvester, I swear it's like they're setting off a popcorn explosion. With these smart robots around, all we gotta do is kick back and remotely steer them. Talk about high-tech convenience. This lavender harvester is a modern machine. This process saves time and effort compared to manual harvesting. These are the most modern agricultural machines trusted by farmers. Leave a comment on agricultural machinery and we will surely bring them to you. Now, goodbye and see you very soon.